Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cornelialove Kitchen. Today I'm going to be reading Colossians 3 verse 9. Do not lie to one another, since you have put off the old man with his deeds. Amen. Today I'm going to be making some Strongback Magnum. I have half a cup of water in my blender. This is 1.5 cup of raw peanut. Just going to throw it in. This is 1 cup of oats, any oats of your choice. Just gotta cover it up and blend this. Okay, so now guys, that my peanut and my oats is crushed, I'm gonna add one banana. Just want to just break it up and put it in. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 can of supligen. I'm gonna add 1 bottle of Guinness. You could use Dragon. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. The bottle could just open, I don't know why. Gonna add a teaspoon of nutmeg. Gonna go ahead and cover it now. So now guys, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you blend everything. You just want to make sure that you blend your peanut and your oats properly. You don't have to like blend it out if you want to drink and have it crunchy. So the last thing I'm going to add is my milk. I'm going to sweeten it. Then I'm going to show you what it looked like. You know it's going to be yummy for your tummy. So now guys, I'm going to add the whole can of milk. Sometimes it need more, but you could have more if you want to. But this is enough. And you could also use plantain, ripe plantain. I'm just going to take out the spoon. Put it back on the cover. You're just going to blend it. Okay, now guys, I have a glass with some ice. I'm going to show you what it looked like. Yummy for your tummy. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Cornelialove is in the kitchen. Look at this, guys. Magnum or Strongback. Keep it in the refrigerator. Could last for a week. Have a blessed day.